TechFix Guides channel, solving your everyday problems one video at a time.
Welcome back. If you've switched to a new phone and suddenly discover that your Google Maps timeline is empty or only shows recent places, you might think years of location history have disappeared. But before you panic or reset your old phone, there are several important things you should check. In many cases, your timeline may still exist on your old device or inside an encrypted timeline backup. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to check your timeline, understand how it works, and recover it if a backup is available. The first and most important rule is this: don't reset your old phone. If your previous phone still turns on, keep it exactly as it is for now. Leave it charged, keep Google Maps installed, don't clear the app's data, don't remove your Google account, and don't factory reset the device. Also, avoid trading it in or recycling it until you've confirmed that your timeline history has been successfully transferred. The old phone may contain the only remaining local copy of your timeline, especially if an encrypted backup was never created. Next, make sure you're using the correct Google account on both devices. Open Google Maps, tap your profile picture, and compare the account on your old phone with the one on your new phone. Many people have multiple Google accounts and accidentally sign into a different one after changing devices. For privacy, don't display your email address in the video. Simply verify that both phones are using the same intended account. Now let's check whether your timeline still exists on the old phone. Open Google Maps, tap your profile picture, and choose your timeline. If your older visits, trips, or routes are still visible, that's excellent news. It means the data still exists. At this stage, don't edit any locations, don't delete anything, and don't make changes until you've confirmed your recovery plan. This brings us to one of the most confusing parts: understanding the different timeline features. Many people assume that signing into the same Google account automatically restores timeline everywhere, but that's not always how it works. There are several different features that sound similar, but do very different things. First, there is timeline itself, which records your location history on a device. Second, there is timeline data stored locally on your phone. Third, there's the optional encrypted timeline backup, which lets you securely move timeline history to another device. Then there's ordinary Google Account Sync, which handles many Google services but isn't the same thing as an encrypted timeline backup. Finally, there's Google Takeout, which lets you export your data for archival purposes. These features are not interchangeable, so understanding the difference is very important. If you previously enabled encrypted timeline backup, the next step is to import it onto your new phone. Open Google Maps on the new device, go to Timeline, and review any available backups. If more than one backup appears, carefully check which one belongs to your old phone and has the correct date. Select the appropriate backup and begin the official import process. Keep the phone connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Avoid closing the app and allow the import to begin. Depending on the amount of history, it may take some time before everything appears. Sometimes users complete the import but only see recent history. If that happens, don't panic. First, confirm that you selected the correct backup. Check the backup date and compare it with the timeline still visible on your old phone if you still have access to it. Make sure Google Maps is updated to the latest version from the Play Store. Also check that your phone has enough free storage and that the import hasn't simply continued running in the background. If multiple timeline backups exist, make sure you're restoring the correct one. Avoid repeatedly deleting imports and starting over before you've confirmed which backup actually contains your older history. Now let's discuss a situation many people unfortunately face. What if there isn't any encrypted timeline backup? If your old phone has already been factory reset, lost, damaged beyond repair, or traded in before a backup was created, signing into the same Google account on your new phone cannot recreate timeline data that only existed locally on the old device. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings about Google Maps timeline. While many Google services sync automatically, local timeline history may not transfer unless the proper backup was created beforehand. You may also hear about Google Takeout. Google Takeout is useful if you want to export your Google data for record keeping, but it's important to understand that an exported archive isn't necessarily a direct timeline restore. Likewise, Google support cannot always recover timeline history that existed only on a device without an encrypted backup. That's why protecting the old phone until you verified your timeline is so important. Finally, take a few minutes to review your timeline privacy settings. Open your timeline settings and check the automatic deletion interval. If auto delete is enabled, understand how long your timeline is kept before older entries are removed. Review which devices are associated with your timeline. Confirm whether encrypted backup is enabled for future protection, and make sure your Google account is secure. Only after you've confirmed that all of your important timeline history has successfully appeared on your new phone should you consider removing your account from the old device, factory resetting it, or trading it in. Let's quickly recap the safest recovery process. Keep your old phone safe and don't reset it. Verify you're signed in to the correct Google account on both devices. Check whether your timeline still exists on the old phone. Confirm whether an encrypted timeline backup is available. Import the correct backup onto the new phone using the official process. If only recent history appears, carefully verify the backup, the import status, and your device settings before trying again. And if no backup exists, understand that locally stored timeline history may not be recoverable after the old device has been reset or lost. Hopefully, this guide helped you understand why your Google Maps timeline may be missing after switching phones and how to recover it safely when possible. If this video helped you, consider giving it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and share it with someone who's moving to a new phone and wants to keep their timeline history safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.